It's called poker.
Is it easy to learn?
Yes, it will only take about 30 minutes.
Okay. Teach me how to play.
We each get 5 cards.
Oh, look. I have 4 tens.
That's great, but you're not supposed to tell me.
Oh. Sorry. Okay, I don't have 4 tens.
I'm a good card player.
Why is that?
Because I watch the other players.
What do you mean?
People will tell you if they have a good hand.
How do they do that?
For example, a friend of mine licks his lips.
When he licks his lips, you know he has a good hand.
I know he has a good hand, so I don't bet.
He never wins your money.
Nope, and it drives him crazy.
He knows you can't read his mind. Maybe he thinks you're cheating.
Turn the radio down, please.
But I'm listening to it.
Well, listen to it more quietly.
I can't wait till I grow up.
What will you do?
I will play the radio as loud as I want.
That's okay with me.
I will have a radio in every room of my house.
Remind me to never visit you.
All the radios will be on extra loud.
Your neighbors will hate you.
If they don't like it, they can move.
I hope I win the lotto.
Your chances are very small.
But you can't win if you don't play.
Huh? You can't win if you do play.
Someone has to win.
That's what everyone says.
It might as well be me.
That's what everyone says.
You're trying to tell me something.
That didn't take long.
You think I should quit playing?
Save your money for school.
What's on TV?
Nothing much.
What about the baseball game?
It got rained out.
Rained out?
Yes, rained out.
How could that be?
Well, you can't play baseball in a rainstorm.
I thought they were playing under a dome.
The dome doesn't close.
Why doesn't it close?
Who knows? They said they'll fix it before next season.
Can I try your coffee?
Sure. Here you go.
That's not bad.
There's nothing in it.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's just coffee.
I figured that.
It's not too bitter for you?
It's a little bitter, but it's okay.
There's no sugar or cream in it.
No, it's a taste you have to get used to.
Sort of like beer.
Let's take a walk.
What's the weather like?
Let me step outside and see.
It's a little chilly, right?
Yes, it is.
I'll put on my cap.
Wear a jacket, too.
I wonder if I should bring my gloves.
Maybe you should, just in case it gets colder.
I'll put a glove in each pocket.
We'll get warmer as we walk.
Yes, but it gets colder as the sun goes down.
Look at the car chase on TV.
That driver is crazy.
I can't believe he hasn't crashed.
How fast is he going?
They say he's going 80 miles per hour.
He's going to kill someone.
Look. He just hit that car.
Oh, my goodness. No one is safe on the streets.
Now he's slowing down.
Maybe he ran out of gas.
Look. He just got out of the car and started running.
I hope the police catch him.
TV news is so stupid.
They shouldn't even call it news.
Last night they told us about a cat in a sofa.
Yesterday they told us about a dog in a pipe.
Last week they told us about a bear in a backyard.
Last month they told us about a mouse in a restaurant.
The weatherman tells us the temperature in every town.
The sports guy shows us players fighting.
They always tell us what's next.
They always make what's next sound exciting, but it never is.
It's more like news for kids.
They should have kid reporters.
I love my computer.
Computers are so cool.
I love to go online.
The internet is amazing.
You can travel all over the world.
I know. I went to China yesterday.
What did you do?
I stood on the Great Wall and looked all around.
What was it like?
It was like the real thing.
It was like being the...
Yes, I felt like I was actually there.
The Beatles are the best.
They are the best musical group ever.
I love all their songs.
I don't know which one I like the best.
I like the ones I can sing along with.
So do I, like She Loves You.
She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And you know you should be glad.
What a great song.
How about Let It Be?
Oh, yes. Let it be, let it be.
There will be an answer, let it be.
Let's go to a movie.
I'd rather not.
Why not?
You know I don't like crowds.
Let's go to an early movie.
Okay, that won't be very crowded.
What would you like to see?
Oh, I don't care. You're the one who wants to go out.
Well, I want to see The Pursuit of Happiness.
What have you heard about it?
It's based on a true story about a divorced man and his young son.
Well, I hope it has a happy ending.
What's your favorite thing to do?
I like to watch people.
That's your favorite thing to do.
Well, it's one of them.
Where do you go to watch people?
My girlfriend and I sit outside Starbucks.
That sounds like a good spot.
We watch people walk by with their dogs.
I guess you see lots of different dogs.
We don't even know what kind most of them are.
There are lots of different kinds, but they all have one thing in common.
Yes, they love to sniff each other when they meet.
They call him Father Dollar Bill.
Yes, he was on the TV news today.
Every Easter Sunday he gives away money.
Is it his money?
Number. Movie stars give him money to give to homeless people.
How much money does he give away?
This year he gave away $15,000.
That's a lot of money.
He gave $100 to people in wheelchairs.
What about the other homeless people?
They got $1 each.
People stood in line just to get $1.
Old movies are the best.
Even though they're in black and white.
A good story is more important than color.
Actors didn't curse back then.
And there was no violence.
People today don't like that.
No, today people like lots of action.
I like a good story.
I like to see actors who are like real people.
Like real people with real problems.
They still make movies like that.
Yes, but they never make much money.
Do you get PBS on TV?
Yes, everybody gets the public broadcasting system.
It puts me to sleep.
Tell me about it.
A gardening show follows a knitting show.
A cooking show follows a sewing show.
A travel show follows another travel show.
I'll say. I've gone around the world a dozen times already.
Now they're adding old TV shows to the old movies.
I sure would like to see something interesting for a change.
If more people donate money, PBS could offer new shows.
Who wants to donate? Public TV should be free.
I love to watch Judge Judy.
Is that a TV show?
Yes. It's on every afternoon.
What's so good about it?
They have interesting lawsuits.
Such as?
Yesterday, a woman complained about a cell phone she bought on eBay.
Was something wrong with the phone?
It works only in Canada.
Did the seller know that?
Yes, and he didn't tell the buyer.
I hope Judge Judy made the seller take the phone back.